Maybe this is Stumpy!
Serious! Hope this isn't one of the times it eats your face!
Admit it, you missed Drax!
I wouldn't say no to some extra help! Stop him short, brute!
Get it on its side!
Go team!
Go, Grease Lightning!
Okay, I take it back. Having normal Drax around would have been useful just then.
What are the odds of those things living on this planet?
Maybe they weren't native to Seknarf? And this is where Hellbender first got them?
Or maybe Hellbender's here, tracking us across the ends of the galaxy.
Lady H has probably moved on by now.
She literally just sent people to kill us.
We bludgeoned her favorite monster, Quill.
In no timeline does she ever forget.
Okay. Negative.
Water, fog, and monsters. What's the forking?
What the floor?
There's two of them.
Two of what?
Mantis, do these things have anything to do with what we're looking for?
Let me get this.
Inconclusive.
Something somewhere in
But
this
I'm
dank,
thinking
dark
no.
cave will save Drax. What do you think, Quill? New best friends?
Yeah, maybe not.
My blade barely scratches these things!
Could really use Drax about now!
Ha-ha! Too slow!
Except when they're not! Drax would probably admire these walking tanks!
Are we sure they ain't related? Stop!
Maybe they're just really excited to see us!
Don't hold your breath! I'm ready! Just find me an opening!
I should know these ones! Ubu? Oh, gross!
Rocket!
Feel
Do
this?
your thing!
This is what we get for following the bug lady!
At least there's none of that creepy fog!
No, I don't think you can communicate with these ones!
Trouble them! Fruitify him, Groot!
Oh, never mind, you're busy! Oh, I remember this part. Something bad happens here, something we have to avoid.
Mantis?
Over here.
All right, I like Drax as much as the next guy, but I am officially sick of this stupid cave! Who? Bug Lady? She couldn't guide her way out of a bathroom!
Are you the rock face we're looking for?
Not sure if I wanted to answer or not.
Whatever gets us out of here.
You, see something out there, Mantis?
So many things, too many things. Shadows of a civilization that lived here once before. Forlorn faces that can see, like me, horrors yet to come. And other shadows, too. Ours, not ours. A figure that's watching us now. Or was watching us then?
I see rocks and, crystal things. A statue that looks like a face, and more rocks.
I like yours better. I see something else. I see friends willing to die for another friend.
Yeah, well, I'm hoping it doesn't come to that.
Me too, Star Guy. Me too.
What else did the Cotati tell you about this place, Mantis?
Did they happen to mention the part where it's super dangerous and stupid to enter?
Oh yes, it's very dangerous. Ancient even. An ancient danger.
Rocket, think you can crawl in there?
For what? So I can get eaten by whatever lives inside?
The stone faces. Whatever we're looking for is beyond or beneath or behind one of the faces.
What do you say, Rocket? I bet you can find us a way back there.
Fine, whatever.
Greymini's lost in an ocean of lies. We need to bring him ashore.
Ugh, smells like rotten spike eggs in here. Okay, setting the...
Is everyone all right? That explosion was bigger than I thought.
All yours, Quill. Watch out for the poison.
What do you mean, poison?
Take a look for yourself. I'll be out here. Try not to die. Your bark's crawling. I'd almost jump into the water if it made the creepy crawly feeling go away.
Hey, Groot, buddy. Think you could lift this?
At least the crystals are kind of pretty.
I've seen better formations. These look like regular silicates.
Oh, there's nothing regular about the way they resonate, little fuzzy.
Then they might actually be worth a few units. They're the right buyer, of course. There's that feeling again. The fur on the back of my neck is sticking up.
I feel it too, like a pair of eyes watching you.
We'll each need to face our fears. Some here, some not. But facing them is most important.
You know, running is sometimes good too.
For you, yes, Star Guy.
Found another way.
Just me, or them crystals look super dangerous.
Don't worry your fuzzy little head. You only die from a great fall in 2 timelines. This probably isn't one of them.
We need to get on those crystals, Groot.
Just let Quill get out there first. I don't want you falling.
Ooh, definitely remembering something now, I think. We need to be careful here.
I think what you're seeing is some version of me pushing you off a cliff.
Little fuzzy, your volatility is surprisingly consistent through all versions of time and space. You're like my angry little through line.
Am I the only one who thinks she's messing with us?
She's being surprisingly comprehensible, actually. I mean, for her.
I know, right? Oh, my funny Flora, you never need to worry about being misunderstood. Finally, the face of 1,000 lies. I think
It's gonna help us save Drax.
it tries to keep us from saving him. We seek something behind the face, beyond the lies.
Scott! Watch out, everybody! Thanks.
You don't usually make it. The Cotati mentioned the faces in the dark before, but I always thought it was metaphorical.
Bug Lady is absolutely bonkers. Clark it. I'm going in.
No, you mustn't!
You don't want me to cut the thing?
Wait, no, not you! Something bad is about to happen!
Oh, that's it. I'm going in.
Rocket!
Blow up this statue, save Drax, and get out of here.
Yes, but...
Time to start trusting our instincts, Quill. Bug Lady said the face is keeping us from helping Drax, so we gotta destroy it.
Little Fuzzy, don't do whatever it is you're about to do!
No, no,
Don't
no.
not do-
I'm done with all the riddles.
Don't not do whatever you
Let's
already
just hear
did!
Mantis out on this, okay?
Give me a tick to think,
What
okay?
if the whole place collapses?
Then at least you wouldn't have to argue with him anymore.
Not helping.
Groot, can you tell him to stop?
Rocket, don't! Rocket!
Feels like I say this a lot.
You want to know the plan?
Yep.
Make it run! Oh! Whew.
Close one.
You can say that again.
Oh, I will.
Mantis.
Where is the matriarch?
This is the one where I fail.
We're trying to help you!
It's okay. The one where I fail is the one where you don't. Shh. Stay with me.
Hey, guys! Check it out! I'm totally not dead! What?
You almost killed all of us! No more blowing things up, Rocket! Ever!
You're gonna regret saying that.
Servo! Are you a Spartoid? Why didn't I know that? Maybe you aren't always... Or I forgot.
What? Those guns do something again, Quill?
He saved Drax after you almost killed us all!
How'd a gun do that?
Show him! Try that!
And that's how it's done.
Me exploding stuff is still better.
It's really not.
Next time we're in a huge fight, you're gonna beg me to blow stuff up. Beg me.
Next time we're in a huge fight,
More of that weird fog.
Be glad you ain't this close to the ground.
Oh, Little Fuzzy never dies from gas in here. Just falling, crushing, Chitauri,
wait,
water.
hang on. Did you say Chitauri?
Oh, I did, didn't I? Such a funny sounding word.
This is impossible!
I thought I'd never see these markers again!
I hoped I never would!
So many possibilities! Always moving!
You couldn't have warned us that Chitauri were hiding out in this cave?
Not always. Sometimes we just run into cute little eyeball guys. You know what I'm talking about, Star Guy?
I'm familiar with eyeball guys, yes. What I don't get is why they be here.
Feel free to ask him. Man, what is this, like the worst timeline?
Rocket! Approve them!
Clear!
Barely worth the ammo! Move it!
This is opening up some old wounds!
With our luck, Hellbender's goons are on the other side, just waiting to jump us!
Payback from Hellbender is literally the last thing we need right now.
Ha! Hold it!
Need I remind you that you are the reason she's hunting us?
Don't these guys know how to let bygones be bygones?
Hey! At least they didn't bring an army of them jelly things with them. Can you imagine? Man, I hated those things.
You were saying?
Just had to jinx us, didn't you?
Hey, anyone notice it just happens to be the monster I said?
I suppose you want credit for that, too?
Keep your eyes peeled for the boss lady.
Take the subject, Star Guy!
Save your nice words for later, Quill.
Not going into the light this time, little buddy.
Quill! Flying
Breathing
speeding
room,
up!
sir.
It's like the fog is following us!
Or luring us.
This won't hurt much!
having a hard time fragging them out there, Quill. Destined scutbags know how to dance.
They're staying one step ahead of us, that's for sure. Open to ideas here, Peter.
You think they've got all the moves out there? The only moves out there? Well, I say lies. You said it. Let's take a stand right in this moment. Stare in the eyes of our opponents and fight until only one of us remains. Who's with me?
Nice one, Peter!
Time the Took out one of the hell grunts!
Nice shot! Light him up, Rocket! String him up, crew! Deadly! For a few measly units!
Oh, no! You didn't flirt with her in this timeline, did you?
One less peon working for Hellbender.
Keep them busy, crew! Anyone else feel like this fog has a mind of its
Get
own?
any worse?
Sure! We could be dealing with those churchified Nova weirdos, too!
Ah, that would be worse! Oh, come on!
Mantis said the cure for the promise is here. Makes sense for the church to not want anyone to find it. Way to knock some sense into him. If anything else comes out of this fog, I quit.
You can't quit! It's in your contract!
We shall not fail! How should I know? Just keep swatting them!
Breathing room, crew!
Past time someone got stabbed. You don't stand a chance.
Does anyone not hate us?
We do tend to bring it out of people. Way to knock some sense into them.
Man, what else can this place possibly throw at us?
I'd rather not find out!
For once, I agree with Rocket.
This fucking fog is probably gonna give me hives!
I don't want to think about that right now!
Guys,
I got all these toys I'm just
Oh,
dying
crap.
to use!
Let loose, Rocket!
This is what you get for making us come to this fucking cave!
I'm good.
How should I know? Just keep swatting them!
Got my name on it.
How many times have I saved your butt now?
What would I do without you, Rocket? Stick it to him, crew! Blow him up!
If anything else comes out of this fog, I quit.
That goes double for me!
Took down one of the Nova Corps nut jobs!
Quill's killing loopy cops now!
He's the
Music
breathing
to
room,
my
crew.
ears!
Definitely going the right way, right?
Look out! I can't believe so many of them fell for the promise.
Believe it, lady!
Does anyone not hate us?
I say let us!
Fog of fear, faced fully forthright.
You okay, Mantis?
Oh, hey, Gamora, you look less depressed. Wait, we went over that already, didn't we?
Yeah.
Just how far down does this cave go?
Heads up! More of them rock monsters.
Maybe we just got off on the wrong foot. They're rock people.
I don't think they're looking to make amends, Quill.
Oh, maybe I can help. I think I speak their language.
Save your nice words for later, Quill.
Oh, thanks, buddy. Make them hurt, Gamora!
Don't make this a habit!
I can always count on you, Gamora.
I think I can hear water!
You can move in later.
Why does everything hate us?
Oh, it's always this way.
You owe me one, Quill.
Not going into the light this time, little buddy.
Watch your back!
Ready.
Get back! I'm
Next
ready!
round's
Just
on
find me
me.
an opening!
Oh, you
I'll enjoy
rocket!
this!
Need some breathing room, girl.
I told you to go before we left the ship.
Bandit! Are we sure this is where we want to be?
We'll know for sure if we don't die.
Are we there yet?
Just think of all the stories we'll have for Drax!
Maybe? Oh no! That's where's the bathroom!
What's next, Peter?
Been too long since I blew
Don't make
something
me ask
up.
for help!
Oh, crap!
Be careful.
Thanks for the
You ain't so
assistance,
quick
officer.
yourself.
Does everything in this cave want to kill us?